Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Huntington Bank with Splitwise. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and fund Splitwise transactions with your Huntington Bank. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Splitwise, then click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Then click on Add a funding source. Next, click on Bank account. Then from here, you want to go ahead and click on Continue. Next, click on Continue again. Then go ahead and scroll down and click on Huntington. Now on this page here, it's going to prompt you to log into your Huntington Bank so that you can select which account you want to go ahead and connect Splitwise with. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Huntington Bank with Splitwise. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.